16 minus 4 equals 12, and 16 minus 4 equals 12, and 12 times 12, which gives us 144. But this answer is not correct, because according to the PEMDAS rules, we must do first the parentheses, then the exponents, the next step multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same for addition and subtraction. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem, we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also, we have these parentheses. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do this parentheses. After that, we do this multiplication. And finally, we do this subtraction. So, first this parentheses. We have 16 minus 4, which equals 12. Now, our problem became 16 minus 4 times 12. So we must do this multiplication first. 4 times 12, which gives 48. Now our problem became 16 minus 48, which gives us minus 32. And this is our final answer for this problem.